Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some previous year questions for alphabet combination. Now, these are questions that have come into your SSC MTS examinations. The date of the examination as well as the shift is given over here for your reference. Now, before we start, let us discuss the four key concepts that is used for solving any question related to alphabets. Okay, the first concept was of forward rank. What do you mean by forward rank? Forward rank basically means when we assign number to alphabets in an increasing order, right? In an increasing order. So what do you mean by increasing order? It means that A is denoted by 1, B is denoted by 2, C is denoted by 3, until unless Y is denoted by 25 and Z is denoted by 26. So these are your forward ranks. Now there is a shortcut to remember forward ranks, correct? The shortcut is EJOTY, where E represents 5, J represents 10, O represents 15, T represents 20 and Y represents 25. So this is a shortcut that you can use to remember forward ranks. Then we studied the concept of backward ranks, which is just the opposite of forward ranks. So backward rank basically means that we assign number in a decreasing order. In a decreasing order. So decreasing order means that A will be assigned 26 now. B will be assigned 25 now. C will be assigned 24 now. Up till Y is assigned 2 and Z is assigned 26. Sorry, Z is assigned 1. Correct? So these are your backward ranks. Again, one more concept, that the sum of forward rank plus backward rank is always equals to 27. You can check it for any alphabet. Check it for A, it is 1 plus 26, 27, right? For C, it is 3 plus 24, 27. So this is another concept. Then third, we understood the concept of opposite letters. What do you mean by opposite letters? Basically, we write alphabet in a certain manner that we get 13 pairs of opposite letters. So A is opposite of Z. Similarly, B is opposite of Y. C is opposite of X. Up till and unless M is opposite of N. So in totality, we get 13 such pairs. 13 pairs of opposite letters. And fourth is a concept of loop. What do you mean by loop? Loop is basically, since there are no alphabets after Z. So if I have to move 2 positions after Z, where will I go? I will start back again from A. So this is the concept of forward loop. Backward loop is similar. For example, if I have to go 4 positions back from C. Now there is no alphabet before A, correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 positions back from C will give me Y. So this is the concept of loop. Okay. Now based on these 4 concepts, we can solve any question on alphabet combination. We can solve any question on alphabet combination or anything that has to do with alphabets or letters in general. So now let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, select the option that is related to the third letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster. So basically this is a question on analogy, correct? This is a question on analogy. What were the steps to solve any question on analogy? Step 1 was to find the logic used in pair 1. This is your pair 1, correct? First step was to find the logic in pair 1. Second step was to use the same logic in pair 2 to find the missing element. This is the missing element. We have to find this. So we have to first find the logic that is used in pair 1 and then use the same logic in pair 2. So let us do for concept. The first pair, okay? The first pair is that concept has been turned into D, D, F, O, P, Q, U. Correct? So my first step would be to give them forward ranks. Forward ranks, if I give 3, 15, N is 14, C is, this is 14, C is 3, 5, 16 and 20. Right? If I give them forward ranks, it will be 4, 4, 6, 15, 16, Q is 17 and U is 21. These are my forward ranks. So here I can see +1. Here I can see +1. Here I can see +1. But over here, there are certain letters where +1 is not there. Right? Where +1 is not there. But +1 is like this. This is +1. This is +1. Similarly, this is also +1 and this is also +1. But now, even after a arrangement, I cannot see a clear logic. Right? So, what I can do is first I can arrange them alphabetically. So if I arrange them alphabetically, it will be C, C, then we will get E, N, O, P, T. Correct? We will get C, C, E, N, O, P, T. Right? What are the forward ranks? This is 3, this is 3. This is 5, this is 14, this is 15, this is 16 and this is 20. Right? This is 3, 3, 5, 14, 15, 16, 20. Now I can see this is +1, this is +1, this is also +1. Similarly, +1 for each alphabet. So we solved this question in 2 steps. First step was to arrange them alphabetical order, arrange them in increasing alphabetical order, This is your first step, right? Second step is to go one position forward. For each letter, right? 2 steps. So let us do the same logic in narrows. So we have narrows N, A, R, R, O, W, S. Let me assign them forward ranks. N is 14, 1, 18, 18, 15, W is 23 and S is 19. So first thing would be to arrange them alphabetically. So the first one I will get is A, then N, then O, then R, R, S, W. Correct? What are the forward ranks again? Forward ranks are 1, 14, 15, 18, 18, 19 and 23. So now I will go one position forward for each of them, right? +1 in each case. +1 for each alphabet. So if I go +1 for each alphabet, what alphabets will I get? Here I'll get the second position, 15th position, 16th position, 19, 19, 20 and 24th position. So what are the alphabets? On second position we have B, 15th position we have O, 16th we have P, right? Then 19th we have S, 20th we have T and 24th position we have X. So the missing element will be B, O, P, S, S, T, X, right? B, O, P, S, S, T, X, and this is given in which option? This is given in option number 2. So option number 2 would be the correct answer of this question. Okay? Moving forward to question number 2. Question number 2 says, select the correct sequence of letters to sequentially place in the blanks to complete the series. So we are given a series which have certain missing elements and we have to fill in these blanks and find the correct sequence of letters that are required to complete the series. Now whenever we get a question like this, we divide it into smaller parts. So over here I can see D, D, D. So D is being repeated after every 4th place, right? D is being repeated after every 4th place. So I can make a cut like this. Okay, I am cutting it like this. After every D, I am cutting this series. So now let us look over here. Over here we have KN, right? Can we place KN over here? Okay. Then we have C, so I am placing C over here. Now K is common, so I can place C and N over here. Now, do I get a repeating series? Yes, C, K, N, D is the smallest unit. So C, K, N, D, then repeating C, K, N, D, then repeating C, K, N, D, this is N. And then again I will get C, K, N, D. But we had to fill blanks up till only this. So what blanks did we fill? We filled K, then we filled N, then we filled C, C, N. So we filled K, N, C, C, N. This is given in which option? Option number 4. So option number 4 would be the correct answer to this question. Okay, option number 4 would be the answer. Question number 3. Question number 3 says, select the option that is related to the third letter cluster in the same way as the second letter cluster is related to the first letter cluster. So again, we have to find the logic in pair 1 and then we have to use the same logic in pair 2 to find the missing element. So over here, I can see between geography and this word, the letters are same, right? The alphabets are same. The only thing that has happened is rearrangement. So there is no forward ranks required, but a rearrangement has happened. Okay, a rearrangement has happened. So first thing is we will decode what is the rearrangement, right? So let us look for geography. GEOGRAPHY. This has been rearranged to OEGARG and YHP. Correct? This is the rearranged word. Now let us try to find the logic. Over here I can see O has come in this place, right? E has remained in this place and G has come in this place. Correct? G has come in this place, E has remained in the same place. Over here I can see A has come in this place, G has come in this place and R has come in this place. Similarly, Y, P and H. So basically every 3 letters have been crisscrossed, right? Every 3 letters have been crisscrossed. So first we will divide it into 3 different parts and then we will do this arrangement. So let us do the same thing for reasoning. For reasoning it will be REASONING. Correct? So A will come over here, R will come over here and E will come over here. So A, E, R. Correct? Then N will come over here, S will come over here and O will remain the same. Then G will come over here, I will come over here and N will remain the same, right? So the arranged letter is AERNOSGNI. This is the correct letter. AERNOSGNI. This is the rearranged letter or rearranged word that we will get. So reasoning will be coded like this. Okay. So answer will be option number 1. Option number 1 would be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Moving on to question number 4. Question number 4 says, select the option that is related to the third word in the same way as the second word is related to the first word. So again, analogy. First, let us understand the relationship in pair 1. Then we will use the same relationship in pair 2. So first one says hibiscus and flower. So what is the relationship? This is a relationship of type. I can say hibiscus is a type of flower. Correct? Hibiscus is a type of flower. Then what is penguin? Penguin is a type of bird. Correct? Penguin is a type of bird. So the relationship was is a type of, this is common in both the words. So over here we will get bird as the answer, which is given in option number 3. So option number 3 would be the correct answer. Okay. Moving on to question number 5. Question number 5, again analogy question. Let us look at pair 1 and then find the missing element in pair 2. So first we have to deduce how is rail car related to this word. So RAILCAR, how is it related to NEEPYEN? So first step, let us give them forward ranks. So if I give them forward ranks, it will be 18, 1, 9, 12, 3, 1 and 18. And over here it will be 14, 5, 5, 16, 25, 5 and 14. Right? So let us try to find the logic. Over here 18 to 14 is -4. Correct? 1 to 5 is +4. Then 9 to 5 is minus 4. 12 to 16 is plus 4. Then 3 to 25. See, if I move from C to Y, first thing is I can move 22 positions forward, right? I can move 22 positions forward. The other thing is I have Y, Z, A, B, C. So if I have to go from C to Y, I can also go 1, 2, 3, 4 positions back, right? This is also possible. From C to Y, I can go 4 positions back. So this can be written as minus 4. Then again 1 to 5 is plus 4 and 18 to 14 is minus 4. So this is alternating between minus 4 and plus 4, right? This is alternating between minus 4 and plus 4. Let us do the same thing for ISHO, right? So the word is ISHO. I-C-E-S-H-O-W. Correct? Now let me give them forward ranks. So I is 9, 3, 5, 19, 8, 15 and W is 24. Correct? Sorry, 23. If I have to go minus 4, I will get 5. Plus 4 will give me 7. Minus 4 will give me 1. Plus 4 will give me 23. Minus 4 will give me 4. Plus 4 will give me 19. And minus 4 will give me 19. So this is what we will get, right? This is what we will get. At 5th position, what do we have? We have E, right? 7th position, we have G. Then A. 23rd position, we have W. Then D. And 19th position, we have S. So the missing element is E, G, A, W, D, S, S. This is given in which option? This is given in option number 3. So option number 3 would be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Question number 6. Again, let us find the relationship between the first pair and we will use the same logic in the second pair. So, we are given F, J, N, R, V, Z. This has been changed into K, L, E, W, X, Q. So, let me give them forward ranks. 6. J is how much? J is 10. N is 14. 18. V is 22 and Z is 26. Similarly, Q is 17, X is 24, this is 23, 5, 12 and K is 11. Okay, so now I can see plus 5 plus 2 minus 9. So I cannot make out a logic, right? I cannot make out a logic. But let us divide this into 2 parts. Okay, I am dividing them into 2 parts like this. From F to E, it is minus 1, right? From J to L, it is plus 2. And from N to K, it is minus 3. So, it is minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Correct? Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Now, let us check over here. This is also minus 1. This is also minus 3. And this is plus 2. So, over here also we have minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. This is the logic. So, we will do the same thing over here. We will do the same thing with this word. This is W, T, Q, N, K, H. So, W is 23, 20, 17, 14, 11 and 8. So, first thing divided into 2 parts, right? This one will be minus 1. So, 22. This one will be minus 3. So, 14. And this one will be plus 2. So, 22 again. Correct? Now, this one will be minus 3. So, 5. This one will be minus 1. So, 13. And this one will be plus 2. So, 13 again. So, the codes are 14, 22, 22, 5, 13, 13. So, let me give them alphabets. If I give them alphabets, 14th alphabet belongs to which letter? 14th number belongs to which alphabet? N. 22 we have V. Then we have, E. And at 13th position we have M. So, the missing element is NVVEMM. This is given in which option? Option number 2. So, option number 2 would be the correct answer to this question. right? Option number 2 would be the answer. Okay. Moving on to question number 7. Question number 7, similar question. Let us look at how it is coded. So PRANIC is coded as SQOBDJ, right? P is how much? 16. This is 18. This is 1. This is 14. This is 9. And this is 3. Similarly, this is 19, 17, 15, 2, 4, 10. Now let us look at how it could be coded. Okay. Over here, if I see between these two, 18 to 19 is plus 1 and 16 to 17 is plus 1. Correct? Similarly, 14 to 15 is plus 1 and this is also plus 1. This is also plus 1 and this is also plus 1. So every two alphabets has been moved one position forward in a crisscross manner, right? So let us do the same thing for sorbid. SORBID. So giving them forward ranks, this will be 19, 15, 18, 2, 9 and 4. So this will move to 16, this will move to 20, right? This will move to 3, this will move to 19. Then this will move to 5 and this will move to 10. So at 16th position we have P, we have T. Then this is 3rd position, we have C, 19th position we have S. Then we have 5th position E and 10th position we have J. So the missing element is P, T, C, S, E, J. Right? And this is given in which option? This is given in option number 3. So option number 3 would be the correct answer to this question. Okay? Option number 3 will be your answer. Again, question number 8, similar type of question. So let us find the relationship between monkey and STRDJP first. So we have MONKEY. This has been changed into STRDJP. Correct? This has been changed into STRDJP. Right? So M is how much? M is 13. This is O is 15, 14, 11, 5 and Y is 25. Similarly over here, this is S is 19, T is 20, R is 18, D is 4, J is 10 and P is 16. So we have to find the logic between these alphabets. So over here if I see, simply this is plus 6 plus 5 plus 4. Then it became minus. So it is plus 5. Over here Y to P is again, this is minus and this is also minus. So we need to find a logic between these alphabets. Okay. So over here if I see, this one, 9, this is plus 5, this is also plus 5 and M to R is also plus 5. So we have divided them into two parts, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. Over here from Y to D, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D. So if I have to move from Y to D, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is also plus 5. Similarly, this is also plus 5 and from E to J is also plus 5. So we have moved plus 5 in two sets, right? We have divided them into two parts and we have moved 5 position forward in each step. So let us do the same thing for torque. We have TORQUE, right? This has to be changed. So let me give them forward ranks: 20, 15, 18, 17, 21, 5. So over here we have to move in this fashion in plus 5, right? We have to move in this pattern in plus 5. So 18 plus 5 will give me 23. 15 plus 5 will give me 20 and 20 plus 5 will give me 25. Similarly, 5 plus 5 will give me 10, 17 plus 5 will give me 22 and 21 plus 5 will give me 26. So now let me assign them alphabets. 23 is W, 20 is T. right? 25 is Y. Then 10 we have J, 26 we have Z, and 22 we have V. So the missing element will be W, T, Y, J, Z, V. This will be the missing element. And this is given in which option? This is given in option number 1. So option number 1 would be the correct answer to this question, right? This will be the answer. Now let us look over here. Similarly, pair 1, COLD has been coded as GTRK, right? So C is 3, 15, L is 12, and this is 4. G is 8, T is 20, R is how much? R is 18, and K is 11. So this is plus 5, right? This is also plus 5. This is plus 6. And this is how much? This is plus 7. So, sorry, 3G is 7. This is plus 4. So, this is plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. So, let us do the same thing for mice. M-I-C-E. This is 13, 9, 3, 5. So, plus 4 will give me how much? 17. 17th position we have Q. Then plus 5 will give me how much? 14. 14 position we have N. Then plus 6 will give me 9. We have I. And then plus 7 will give me 12, which we will have L. So the missing element will be Q, N, I, L. And this is given in which option? This is given in option number 3. So option number 3 would be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Again, question number 10. Let us check for crop and this word. So C-R-O, let me give them ranks over here also. This is 3, 18, 15, P is how much? 16, right? W is 23, V is 22, Y is 25, and J is 10. So this is the, right? This is the, how the forward ranks. Now if I compare 3 and 23, this is plus 20. And if I compare 18 and 22, this is plus 4. Then 15 to 25 is again plus 10, and 16 to 10 is minus 6. So I cannot make out a logic based on forward ranks, right? Now, if I see the relationship between 3 and 10, or let me use a different pen, okay? If I see a relationship between 3 and 10, this is plus 7, right? Similarly, 18 to 25 will also be plus 7. 15 to 22 will also be plus 7. And similarly, 16 to 23 is also plus 7. Correct? 16 to 23 is plus 7. 15 to 22 is plus 7. 18 to 25 is plus 7. And 3 to 10 is plus 7. So, we will do the same thing for nasty. Nasty, what is the forward ranks? 14, 1, 19, 20, 25. Correct? Now, if I move plus 7 from Y, we have X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E. So 7 positions forward from Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So from Y I have to move 7 positions forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 we will get F, which is over here. Then if I move 7 positions forward from T, I will get 26 plus 1, I will get A, right? Then if I move 7 positions forward from S, I will get 26, which is Z. Then if I move 7 positions forward from A, I will get 8, which is H. And if I move 7 positions forward from N, I will get 21, which is U. So we have 6, 1, Z is 26, 8 and U, which is 21. So my missing element will be FAZHU. And in which option FAZHU is given? Option number 3. So option number 3 would be the correct answer to this question. Okay? Option number 3 would be the answer. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.